channel. Another day on the house building. If you were with us in the last video, you would have seen we put some concrete in the bathroom. So super chuffed for our first slab. It's turned out absolutely fantastic, and it's super good to be able to walk in here again instead of falling down a big dirty hole. As you can see, we've got our traps all placed down, both different heights because there's two different size tiles going to be going in this room here. Can't wait to actually start putting some tiles down in here, but there's still so much prep work to go in here before we can start doing any of that yet. But before we make a start in the bathroom, we're going to quickly shoot through the kitchen, get some measurements because we are heading off on the weekend, going to Adelaide, catch up with a kitchen designer, and they're going to be chucking all the measurements and stuff in their computer, designing all the kitchens so we can actually have a virtual look at what we want to achieve. It's going to be super cool to be able to see it all in virtual format. So in saying that, let's get through there, get that done, so we can jump back into the bathroom.
I've been living in paradise, and no more waiting on you tonight. And my dreams will never ever die. Can you feel that spark in our bones tonight?
was you, something in the room that illuminated me. Cause I was in the dark, wrestling the scars, but you took away everything. Maybe this is more than bliss. These moments I just can't resist. 'Cause this is everything I wished, and so much more. You are my light, and everything that I want. Come take this night. Let's come alive in the dark. Let's come alive in the dark. Come alive in the dark. I was burning down, the sky was full of clouds, but you broke through everything. Now all of the doubt, all that brought me down, is a million miles away. Now I'm seeing blue sky, looking here in your eyes. I fade away in your smile as we melt into the twilight. Maybe this is more than bliss. These moments I just can't resist. 'Cause this is everything I wished, and so much more. You are my light, and everything that I want. Come take this night. Let's come alive in the dark. Let's come alive in the dark. You are my light, and everything that I want. Come take this night. Let's come alive in the dark. Let's come alive in the dark.
Alright guys, so there you go. We've managed to get all the board up, ready to go. As you can see, everything's looking nice and neat. So, as soon as the plumber comes in next block, we can get in, start pulling these panels back off, glue them up, and what I'll do is I'll put screw holes in so we can put plugs in it and just pull it all up nicely so when that cement dries, everything's pulled in nice and flush. This thing here, super cool, just ripped into that brick like it was nothing, smoothed it all off so that board could just sit up there nice and flush, super sweet. But as for now, we are going to call that a wrap for this video, as I do have to go and get the kids from school now, and I'm back at work tomorrow, so we hope you're enjoying the content. This is all new experience for us as we're going through everything. You're seeing it as we're learning it, and might be even picking up some tips as we're going. Some things you might want to do, some things you might not want to do, but overall we're pretty chuffed with how things are rocking and rolling at the moment. It's super cool. We thank you for your love and support to the channel. We really do appreciate you taking your time to watch our videos. If you want to join us outside of YouTube, StayTrue TV on Facebook and Instagram. Follow us along. Stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.